Master your monthly budget. Simple steps to financial freedom. Hey there! Have you ever wondered where all your money goes at the end of the month? You look up and suddenly, it's gone. Well, you're not alone. Whether you're trying to save for a dream vacation, pay off debt, or simply stop living paycheck to paycheck, a solid monthly budget is your first step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a monthly budget that actually works, no matter how much you earn or what your financial goals are. We're going to break this down step by step so you can finally take control of your money. Stick around till the end because I'll share a bonus tip that can help you save even more money every month. Alright, let's kick things off with step 1. You need to know how much money you're actually working with. Start by figuring out your total monthly income. This means your salary, side hustles, freelance gigs, any money that consistently comes into your account. Remember, we're talking after-tax income here, the actual amount you have to work with. For example, if your day job pays you $2,500 a month after taxes, and you make an extra $200 delivering food on weekends, your total monthly income is $2,700. Write this number down somewhere you can see it. Knowing your income is like setting your map before a road trip. It's your starting point, and it tells you how far your money needs to stretch each month. Think about it. You wouldn't drive across the country without knowing how much gas you can afford, right? Budgeting is the same idea. Now, this might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people don't actually have a clear picture of their total monthly income. That's why this first step is crucial. Once you have that number, you're ready for step 2. Now that you know how much money you have coming in, it's time for step 2, understanding where it's all going. This is a crucial step in taking control of your finances and ensuring that your money is working for you, not the other way around. It's time to track your expenses. This might sound tedious, but it's incredibly enlightening and can be quite empowering. Take a week or two to track every single dollar you spend, or better yet, go through your bank statements and credit card bills from last month. This will give you a comprehensive view of your spending habits. Seriously, no judgment here, just cold, hard data. This is about understanding your financial behavior, not about feeling guilty. Now break your spending into categories. This will help you see where the bulk of your money is going and identify areas where you might be able to cut back. Start with the essentials: rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation. These are the non-negotiables that you need to live and work. Then, move on to non-essentials: shopping, dining out, entertainment, subscriptions. These are the areas where you might find opportunities to save. This is where you might get a bit of a reality check. It's often surprising to see how much these non-essential expenses add up. You might be surprised to see how much you're spending on things like takeout coffee, subscription boxes you barely use, or impulse purchases. These small expenses can really add up over time. But hey, awareness is key. Knowing where your money is going is the first step to making better financial decisions. Think of it like this. You wouldn't let your car run out of gas without knowing why, right? You check for leaks, make sure you're not driving with the parking brake on, things like that. You check for leaks, make sure you're not driving with the parking brake on, things like that. Similarly, tracking your expenses is like checking your financial engine. Tracking your expenses is like checking your financial engine. It helps you identify any spending leaks so you can plug them and make your money go further. It helps you identify any spending leaks so you can plug them and make your money go further. And trust me, those small expenses can really add up over time. That daily $5 latte, that's $150 a month. That daily $5 latte, that's $150 a month. Cutting back even a little bit can free up a surprising amount of money. So, don't skip this step. The important thing is that you're becoming aware of where your money is going. This awareness is the foundation for making smarter financial choices and achieving your financial goals. Alright, now that you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time for step 3, setting financial goals. Because let's be honest, managing your money is a lot more motivating when you have something specific to work towards. What are you budgeting for? Is it that dream vacation we talked about? Paying off debt? Buying a house? Whatever it is, write it down and make it as specific as possible. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, set a tangible goal like, I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a new car. Now here's the key. Make those goals SMART. That means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is going to keep you focused and accountable. Let's break it down. Specific means clearly defining what you want to achieve. Measurable means having a way to track your progress, like a specific dollar amount. Achievable means setting realistic goals that you can actually reach. Relevant means choosing goals that align with your values and priorities. And time-bound means setting a deadline for yourself to stay motivated. Having clear, specific goals will give you something to work towards and help you stay motivated when things get tough. Chapter 5. Track and adjust weekly. All right, you've set up your budget. Congratulations. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of yourself. But here's the thing. Creating a budget is just the first step. It's like laying the foundation of a house. The real work is in the building. The real magic happens when you actively track your spending and make adjustments along the way. This is where you turn your financial goals into reality. Remember, this isn't a set it and forget it kind of deal. It's a dynamic process that requires your attention and care. Think of it like going to the gym. You wouldn't just go once and expect to see results, right? Consistency is key. You have to consistently put in the effort and make adjustments to your routine as needed. Just like you would tweak your workout plan to get better results. That's why I recommend checking in on your budget at least once a week. This regular check-in helps you stay on track and make necessary changes. Look back at your spending over the past 7 days and see how you did. This reflection is crucial for understanding your financial habits. Did you stay within your allocated amounts for each category? Or did you find yourself overspending in certain areas? If you did stay within your budget, fantastic. If not, don't worry. It's all part of the learning process. Or did you overspend in some areas? Identifying these areas is the first step to making improvements. Don't beat yourself up if you went a little over budget. It happens to the best of us. The key is to learn and adapt. It happens to the best of us. The important thing is to identify where you strayed from your plan and figure out why. Maybe you had an unexpected car repair, or you went out to dinner with friends more often than you planned. These things happen, and it's okay. Or you went out to dinner with friends more often than you planned. Whatever the reason, acknowledging it is the first step to making adjustments. It's all about finding a balance that works for you and allows you to enjoy your life without derailing your financial progress. It's all about finding a balance that works for you and allows you to enjoy your life without derailing your financial progress. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Number 7, making sure you're consistently putting money aside for your future. Outro: take control of your money. That's it. With these simple steps, you can create a monthly budget that works for you and sets you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, budgeting isn't about restrictions. It's about giving your money purpose and making sure it's working hard for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on saving, investing, and building wealth. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now tell me in the comments, what's your biggest financial goal this year? I'd love to hear what you're working towards. See you in the next video.